rules. We're going to line up the decimal points, then drop down the decimal and add as usual. Show you what this looks like. I like to do a big number up top, so I'm going to put the 6.2 over the 3.4. Notice I'm lining up the decimals right there, and then I'm going to drop the decimal here in the answer position. So 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9.6, that's our answer, awesome. Now we have a little more complicated examples. Our next one, 162.325 plus 2.66. Notice how many digits to the right of the decimal. The first number, 162.325, has 3. 2.66 has 2. So I want to be careful about this. Now, some people will put zeros as placeholders. Totally cool. Whatever helps you get the answer right, do. Some people put the 0 here. Some people will not. Either way is totally fine. So look, I'm going to add everything. Oh, drop the decimal. Follow my own rules. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 plus 6 is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4. And then the 16 comes out down right there. And I got 164.985. Let's do one more example here. 5.82 plus 7.96. I'm going to write it a little bit lower and to the right here. Again, I like putting the larger number up top, the 7.96. Put the 5.82 below. It's going to be a little cramped here, so forgive me. I know I can improve my penmanship. Next time I'll try that. 6 plus 2 is 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. Carry your 1. 7 becomes an 8. 8 plus 5, 13. So our answer is 13.78. So just follow the instructions. You should be good to go. If you have any questions, definitely post in the comments. Good luck, guys.